Today we're talking about keeping our families healthy, and one way to do that is through a chemical-free kitchen. Get rid of all those metal tea kettles and replace it with a PFAS-free tea kettle. This one is by Green Pan. There's also one by Green Life. It's all glass, so you're not putting metals and toxins into the water. Turn it on and forget about it. It will turn off when it's done boiling. For more tips and tools on how to keep your family healthy in a chemical-free kitchen, reach me at vigiowellness.net. I will put a link below for this chemical-free tea kettle. Happy 2026 and stay healthy.